The grid has gone dark and your home is transforming into an icebox. Right now your furnace is nothing more than a hollow ornament, and the clock is ticking against your own biology. Your windows are frosting over from the inside, your smartphone is gasping its last breath of battery, and the thermometer is plummeting toward a dangerous floor. In this silence there is no rescue party. It is just you versus the creeping frost. When the lights stay dead for days, survival depends on your knowledge. At Victor's Logic we show you how to turn your space into a fortress, turn your metabolism into a heater, and household supplies into a lifeline. Your first priority is to abandon the whole house mindset. You cannot win a war against the cold over thousands of square feet. You need to retreat to a single small command center. Identify the tightest room you have, a bedroom, den, or walk-in closet. The less air there is to heat, the higher your chances. Once you've chosen your bunker, seal the perimeter. Stuff blankets under the door and apply tape to the window seams. Hang thick curtains or even trash bags to block drafts. You are creating a pressurized thermal cell. Every gap in your armor is a leak where warmth escapes. This isn't about being cozy, it's about hoarding every single BTU. Keep the ambient temperature above the kill zone. Now look at your floor. Cold air is heavy. It pools at your feet while heat escapes toward the ceiling. You need to get off the ground. Lay down yoga mats. Use cardboard or couch cushions to create a barrier. Protect yourself from the frozen subfloor. If you have a camping tent, pitch it in the room. This tent within a room strategy is a classic survival tactic. It creates a double, insulated microclimate for your body. Your body warms the tent and the tent warms the room. It's a layered defense against the freeze. At Victor's Logic we view the body as a biological engine. To stay warm you need to stoke the fire. Shivering is your body's emergency heat generation mode. It drains your energy 3 times faster than normal. This is the time for high-density fuel. Forget the greens. Reach for peanut butter, chocolate, and jerky. Your internal furnace needs these calories for thermogenesis. If you can safely boil water, drink it hot. Internal warmth is far more effective than external heat. If you can't heat water, don't drink it ice cold. Tuck the bottle against your skin to take the chill off. Swallowing ice water forces your core to work overtime. Once your internal temperature hits 95 degrees, you are hypothermic. At 90 degrees, your body stops shivering. At 80 degrees, the heart simply gives up. You are the engine. Food is the gasoline. Next, master the art of the layer. This is a science, not a fashion choice. Your base layer must stay dry, so avoid cotton. Wet skin loses heat 25 times faster than dry skin. Use wool or synthetics to wick sweat away. Your middle layer should be puffy. Fleece or down. Trap dead air, the best insulator on earth. A shell layer of nylon or trash bag blocks wind. Your brain will sacrifice toes and fingers to save heart. Wear double socks and keep your head covered. Prevent massive heat loss through the scalp. Generating heat without electricity requires being smart and cautious. Candles are great for morale but won't heat rooms. Huddle with family or pets for shared thermodynamics. 2 people in one sleeping bag stay warmer. If you have a propane heater, respect the chemistry. Combustion eats oxygen and leaves deadly carbon monoxide. Leave a small crack in a window for air. Balance the risk of freezing against suffocation. Keep your mind sharp and stay vigilant. Don't let your infrastructure crumble while focused on core. Frozen pipes are a secondary disaster for your home. Keep faucets at a steady drip to move water. Open cabinets under sinks to let warmth reach plumbing. Shut off the main valve and drain the lines. Better to be thirsty than have a burst pipe. Store water in tubs and jugs before the freeze. Melting snow is a grueling fuel-heavy process. Finally, the most important rule, do not succumb to the lethargy. Hypothermia is a master of deception. It starts with shakes, moves to confusion, and ends in a peaceful, deadly desire to sleep. If you feel yourself drifting, get up, do air squats, pace the floor, and keep blood moving. Watch your companions for slurred speech, or the moment they stop shivering despite being cold. That is a medical emergency. The storm will eventually pass and the lights will flicker. Whether you are there depends on choices in the dark. By following the principles we teach at Victor's Logic, you aren't just waiting for help, you are taking command. Stay focused, stay fueled, and stay warm. You have what it takes to outlast the winter.